What's up, guys? How are you doing? Saeed here, 24 Crew. So today I'm going to finally rinse down the Jetta build. So not even gonna try to wash it. I'm just gonna pressure wash it, put some degreaser on it, see what it does. It's gonna need a pretty good detail, even though the paint is crap. Also, we're gonna try to get the Recaro seats in. So let's see how that goes. Let's check it out. So just detailed the car, remove all of these stickers. So as you can see, this is faded. I don't blame it, but look at this. I put some tire shine in it, just a little bit. I was just trying something out. You see that right there? Tire shine, no tire shine. I know there's a lot of stuff to there's some stuff to bring it out, but for now, I'm just gonna leave it like that. On my cabby, the flares are painted, but it cleans up pretty okay. I wonder. I'm sure it's gonna look way better. I mean, I love these teardrops. It rides totally awesome. But oh man, it's windy. But I want to see what it looks like with the cabby wheels, or maybe with the wheels that are inside. And I have the seats inside, as you can see. I'm gonna change the front seats for those are the seats to my cabby, but I'm gonna throw them in there. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be a little bit better, even though those seats are comfortable. But yeah, I wanna repaint it or wrap it. Alrighty guys, so pretty much what you do is, there's a bolt that goes right there, which is this thing right here, right? You unscrew it, it goes right here, and you make sure back here, you see that little tray right there, they go inside on each rail, or they have one in each rail, and then once you do that, you pretty much pull it all the way back, and then watch this. It's free. So let me get this seat out right quick, and that's magic. Now watch this. Look at the difference, the Recaros versus the stock ones. So they're both adjustable. It's even taller, so even though these are nice and comfortable, those are something else. And I don't have a vacuum. Gosh, I think I'm just gonna have to re-vacuum it sometime, but just throw it in. Now the other side. So I just want to show you guys something over here. Look at this. I was just making sure that they were both the same. Jesus Christ. Oh my God, dude. I don't think that was supposed to be like that. Unless they're they're really, really old, but they're only a few years apart. Oh my God. Unsafe. Trade. Look at the difference. And it's pretty much like adjustable. You can adjust the back with that lever. It'll drop back and forth. All right, guys. There you go. Not bad compared to this. I just gotta get it vacuumed. I'm gonna have to do something about this paint. I don't like it. They're definitely way better. So we're gonna try this, and please let me know in the comments. I know people that have been in the game longer than I have. I know they're faded. There's a way that you can bring those, bring it back or restore it. There are some products out there. We're gonna do it the easy way right now. As you can see, I did that the other day when I washed it, and it's still there. So right now, I'm just gonna put some tire shine in it, and at least it's gonna look a little bit better than just faded. So mainly the rear bumper is all done, but let's see how it looks.
And like let all the air out, but then like it almost got all the way down. He just did one of these. He went and like let the rest of the air out.
Look at that, like magic. You seen it here first. Let's see how long this is gonna last. So far so good. Look at that. Look at the difference. Oh my god. I'm telling you, budget build. Alright, let's finish this thing up. There you go, guys. I swear I've never done that on a bumper before. But look at that, Jesus Christ. No filter needed. That's just funny. I know there are some products out there that you can use to bring that back, but hey, this is a freaking budget build. Look, even at the mirrors up here. Oh well, we'll see how long this lasts. Until then, this will have to do.